Welcome back to Maintenance Part 2. My name still remains Bright Chinedu Agbao. In this aspect, each machine or equipment requires different maintenance plan or method. Maintenance steps depend on the equipment involved in the individual and the individual involved. Did we get something there? It says machine or equipment requires different maintenance plan or method. That is to say, the maintenance you give to a building is not a maintenance you give to a car. And also, maintenance depends on the equipment involved and the individual involved. A radio mechanic cannot handle a building construction. It's two different things. Whoever is involved in maintenance, either the organization or an individual, it must be planned and estimated. Now, let's go to the types of maintenance. Preventive maintenance, number one. It is a maintenance carried out to prevent the breakdown of equipment by regularly and constantly maintaining the equipment. This is to say, let's use example of a bulb in the classroom or a bulb in your house. If it goes off, you change it. It is irregular maintenance, because if you leave it there, it will spoil the lamp holder there. Now, steps and action taken according to the maintenance policy of the organization are guided and scheduled by individual. The maintenance is performed according to schedule or timetable. It helps to prevent unexpected breakdown, cost, or save time. Lubrication of lower frames and machines parts, cleaning of appliances. These are types of preventive maintenance I'm listing. Covering of appliances not in use, etc., are examples of regular preventive maintenance that you can do at home to avoid a total breakdown of an equipment. Number two, constructive maintenance. Machines, equipment, and appliances do fail or break down unexpectedly. Even new equipment do break down. So breakdown is sometimes unavoidable. When breakdown occurs, the machines or repairs done, the maintenance or repairs done to restore the equipment to working condition is called corrective maintenance. Now, when an unexpected breakdown is caused, corrective maintenance are mostly applied. And the third one is predictive maintenance. This particular maintenance method involves the use of modern technology in maintenance to improve efficiency and save the time. Now, this one now we have to apply technology in it. And I believe that when there are some computers, we use computers in repairing cars to dictate faults in cars and in planes also. And in this aspect, this type of devices is commonly used by auto mechanic technicians and auto electricians to carry out maintenance on cars. Like I earlier mentioned, these are three main types of maintenance to be discussed for now. We will look at the results in future. Thank you very much for watching. Here are some assignments I dropped for you. Number one says, explain the idea of maintenance. Give 4 needs for maintenance. State 5 types of maintenance. Explain preventive maintenance. Mention 3 regular maintenance of equipment in your house that you must start to do. Thank you for listening and watching.